Hello students. Hi all of you. Good morning. So, as you all know that we have a unit test next week. So this is a revision of already the chapter we have done. Okay. The chapter number 2, that is what is around us. Okay. So this is a revision video or the summary video of the chapter. This will help you to recollect all the content, summary of the content in the chapter number 2. Okay. So first, this is the first chapter of the geography, and the chapter title is what is around us. So what is actually around us is all the natural things like mountain, ocean, sea, our this atmosphere, okay, air which is invisible to us but it is there. Okay, so this is actually all around us. So we have to read about this only. But before we are going to read about the things around us or the things around us because of which the life is possible on the earth, let's first see the origin from where and how come this solar system and earth came into existence. Okay, so we will start with this section, that what is the origin of the solar system and the earth. You may be thinking many times that how this our earth has formed, okay, and why the life is possible only on the earth and not on any other planet. So yeah, let's see that only. The singularity, the theorized beginning of the universe. There are a lot of theory about how actually the universe has been evolved or how it has formed. But the most profound theory of this forming of the universe or evolution of the universe is the Big Bang theory. Okay, as per that theory, all the particles of the matter in the universe, आज जिसको हम रॉक कहते हैं एंड मॉल्टन रॉक कहते हैं, लिक्विड कंपोनेंट वाटर कहते हैं. सो इस यूनिवर्स में ऐसे उड़ते हुए बहुत सारे रॉक्स हैं. ओके, तो ये जो यूनिवर्स के जितने भी मैटर हैं ये सारे के सारे एक स्मॉल साइज में कंप्रेस्ड थे एंड दैट साइज वाज डिम. डिम मीन्स बहुत ही छोटे बिंदु जैसा था. ओके, एक बहुत ही छोटे साइज में सब कुछ कंप्रेस था एंड देन सडनली द सिंगल एटम इम्प्लोडेड. और वो सारा का सारा मैटर जो एक ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज में सारे के सारे कंप्रेस थे, उसमें एक दिन अचानक से इम्प्लोड होता है, एक्सप्लोजन होता है विद अ ग्रेट रिलीज ऑफ द एनर्जी. क्योंकि एनर्जी अगर आप कंप्रेस करते जाओगे देन इट विल implode, it will explode. In the same way this matter exploded, okay, and the energy started releasing and the matter began expanding with the tremendous speed to create the universe. और उसमें से जितने भी मैटर्स निकलते हैं वो ट्रेमेंडस स्पीड से दूर दूर जाने लगते. it started expanding and this is how the universe came into existence. Okay, इट इज क्वाइट क्लियर टू यू कि जब इम्प्लोजन हुआ, जब ये इम्प्लोड हुआ, एक्सप्लोड हुआ, सो द गैस, डस्ट एंड द अदर मटेरियल्स इन द न्यूबेला, और वो जो छोटा सा कंप्रेस था दैट इज कॉल्ड द न्यूबेला, कोलाइड एंड द कंडेंस टू फॉर्म अ लार्जर मासेस. और जब उसमें वो जो स्मॉल मैटर होता है जिसमें एक्सप्लोजन होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द न्यूबेला, और उसमें जब एक्सप्लोजन होता है तो जो गैस डस्ट होते हैं वो एक्सपांड होने लगते हैं एंड देन दे ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड गेटिंग लार्जर इन द मास. और वो फिर वो एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ने लगते हैं एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग अ लार्जर मास. दिस प्रोसेस प्रोड्यूस अ ग्रेट डील ऑफ हीट. और इस कारण से पूरे हीट का एक एक बड़ा गोला बनने लगा एंड दस द स्टार इज फॉर्म्ड. Okay, and this is how the star formed, and due to the gravitational forces of the star the nebula started organizing themselves and it get the shape of the disk. अगर आप सोलर सिस्टम हमारा जो यूनिवर्स है उसका पिक्चर देखोगे, then you will found it is in the form of the disk. So that is how this gas and the dust, other materials, due to the gravitational force, they took the form of the disk. Nebula, an interstellar cloud of the dust, hydrogen gas, helium gas and other ionized particle. So this is how the universe came into existence. Now we will see that how the earth came to the journey where it is today. So around 15 billion years ago, uh, the Big Bang theory, which I have already explained you, how this imploded in the universe, that took place. And after that explosion, after the 5 million years ago, this stars has been created in the universe. And after the 5 million billion years ago, after that, this is the form of the sun. This is, you can see, this is a picture of the sun. And after the 4.5 billion of that, this is how the earth was. You can see what is the condition of the earth. It was all, it is in the molten form. Okay, it was not the way you are seeing the earth. Okay, it was not like that. So it is in the molten form. Steroids, meteoroids and every used to hit the surface of the earth, and it was in the form of the molten form. It was in the molten form. And when all these gases released because of this molten form of the earth, it started creating atmosphere around the earth. Okay, and because of that only we got such kind of the temperature on the earth, which make the possibility of life on this earth. And this is the picture which is 3.8 billion years ago, and that is how the life, existence of the life started on the earth. So this is the journey of the formation of the earth. In the next video we will see that what are that four spheres or the four factors which make this planet earth where the where the life is possible. Okay.